At ngayon, itutuloy natin yung system is present and it's adding live loads to support or equipment nozzle. The next one is the standards and specification. All piping designers need to understand the content and application of the client and engineering company standards and specifications used on the project. In particular, the designer must have intimate knowledge of the primary standards and specification he or she will use. This being pipe supports and piping classes. Vessel piping. All piping designer also need to understand about the connecting, supporting, and guiding of piping attached to the vessel, horizontal or vertical, and the tanks. They need to know that nozzle loading is important and thus have limitations. Rack piping. All piping designers need to understand that there is a logical approach to the placement of piping on a pipe rack. And the settings of pipe rack elevation, it does not matter how wide or how high the rack or what kind of plant. The logic still applies. Starting from one or both outside edge, the largest and the hottest lines are sequenced in such manner that allows for the nesting of any required expansion loop. Another good guidelines is process lines on the lower decks, and utility lines on the upper decks. The spacing of the line must be also allow the bowing effect of the loop caused by expansion. One rule of thumb for setting the distance between piping level is 3 times the largest pipe size. Uy, salamat sa nagpalipad dyan. Shout out again sa mga kaibigan natin dyan, sa mga taga-community, sa mga super friends, at sa mga YouTube creator family. Shout out din sa YT Legit Trupahan, sa Promoted Channel Support Pillow Creators. Shout out din sa inyo, sa 31 International Vlogger. Maraming salamat. Expansion loops. All designers need to understand and able to use simple rules and methods for sizing loops in rock piping. This should include the most common sizes, schedule, and materials. Cold spring or pre-spring. All piping designers should understand the basic rules of cold spring and pre-spring. They need to understand what its on is along with when to and when not to use it. Design production methods. All piping designers need to be able to make all types of piping documents, sketches, layouts, detailed piping plan, isometric, etc. Using different methods. These methods include first and most important manually. Every piping designer must be able to go to the field or sit on front of the client and make proper, intelligent, and understandable piping sketches. They must also be able to produce detailed final drawing manually. Today, piping designers also need to know or able to learn a wide range of electronic 2D or 3D design tools. Fabrication and construction methods. All piping designers need to understand shop spool fabrication, modulations, and field erection construction method, and be able to determine shop and field material split, shipping boxes, sizes, field welds, and field or final fit-up welding. Heat tracing. All piping designers need to understand the purpose of process heat conservation. Know the different method, jacketing, trace tubing, or electric. Tracers, commodity, steam, oil, hot water, etc. And tracer system requirements and to be designed heat tracing circuitry. Deliverables. All piping designers need to understand the purpose of each of the piping deliverables, such as plot plans, key plans, piping plans, and sections, and isometrics. Drawing content. All piping designers must understand how to present their designs. Drawing content and dimensions practices must be well thought out in order to clearly communicate to the design to construction personnel. Economics. All piping designers must be aware of economics. For instance, move a piece of equipment to reduce costly, high pressure, and allow piping runs, reduce the number of fittings and welds, and eliminate unnecessary support whenever possible to save on material fabrication and erection cost. At yan ang mga bagay guys na dapat malaman bago ka magiging piping designer. Maraming salamat. Ito si Boss Glow H Channel, ang iyong lingkod. Bye-bye! Thank you.